Think and Grow Rich is a self-help book written by Napoleon Hill, first published in 1937. The book has been widely recognized as a classic in the personal development genre and has helped millions of people achieve success and wealth. The book is divided into 13 chapters, each of which covers a different aspect of success and wealth creation. Here is a detailed summary of each chapter. Chapter 1. Introduction. In this chapter, the author introduces the concept of the power of thought and how it can be used to achieve success and wealth. Chapter 2. Desire. The author emphasizes the importance of having a burning desire to achieve your goals and how this desire can be transformed into reality. Chapter 3. Faith. This chapter discusses the importance of faith in yourself and your abilities, as well as the power of faith in achieving success. Chapter 4. Autosuggestion. The author explains how you can use self-talk and visualization to change your subconscious mind and achieve your goals. Chapter 5. Specialized knowledge. This chapter stresses the importance of acquiring specialized knowledge in your field and how it can help you achieve success. Chapter 6. Imagination. The author explains how imagination can be used to create new ideas and overcome obstacles. Chapter 7. Organized planning. This chapter covers the importance of creating a clear and specific plan to achieve your goals. Chapter 8. Decision. The author explains how indecision can be a major obstacle to success and how making quick and decisive decisions can help you achieve your goals. Chapter 9. Persistence. This chapter covers the importance of persistence in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Chapter 10. Power of the mastermind. The author explains how the power of a mastermind group can help you achieve success. Chapter 11. The mystery of sex transmutation. This chapter discusses how the creative energy of sex can be harnessed and transmuted into other forms of energy to achieve success. Chapter 12. The subconscious mind. The author explains how the subconscious mind can be harnessed to achieve success and how to communicate effectively with it. Chapter 13. The brain. This final chapter covers the importance of the brain in achieving success and how to use it to your advantage. Overall, Think and Grow Rich is an excellent resource for anyone who wants to achieve success and wealth. The book provides a detailed and comprehensive guide to the principles of success, and it has helped countless individuals achieve their goals and dreams.